Hey buds, this is Labrador Tea, or that's what they call it up in northern Saskatchewan where I first became acquainted with it. It goes by Muskeg Tea in some of the more southern communities, or sad little palm trees if you're asking Charles for a plant ID in the middle of winter. Regardless, it is known for its piney and floral scents and has been used medicinally for many, many years. Particularly in the area of respiratory ailments. So many First Nations chose to brew this up as a drink and used it as a preventative medicine back when COVID-19 started coming onto the scene. Another name for the beverage is Trapper's Tea. So a couple quick notes. You're looking for this golden color on the underside of the leaves when you're picking. It's best not to boil the leaves. You want to just steep them in hot water, and pregnant women should avoid drinking this. But Labrador Tea recently came back into my life and into my gathering basket, and I was reminded of this lovely recipe by Yukon chef Michele Genest. And so today we're going to be making her lovely Labrador Tea custards. So on medium heat, we are going to first add in 2 cups of milk or milk alternative, about 2 tablespoons of our Labrador tea leaves, a tablespoon of vodka that's been infused with Labrador leaves for a week or 2, or however long you got. Yeah, and that is good. We're going to heat it up until it starts getting steamy. Then we'll take it off, stir it, cover it, and let it sit for 15 minutes. We're going to beat 2 eggs until they get some lemon yellow. If you choose not to do eggs, you can add instead 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a little bit of your milk mixture, and just set it aside. Now, at the time of filming this, there has been a sugar strike in Canada for over 3 months. And since we happen to raise bees, I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup of honey as my sweetener. And whisk it into my eggs. All right, so now we are going to strain the mixture into something with a spout and make a huge mess like I do. Then we are going to pour that slowly into the egg mixture, whisking as we go along. Now, if you decided to go the non-egg route, you would add your cornstarch mixture into the egg, or into the milk mixture, and then put it back in the pot and warm it up until it thickens before proceeding to the next step. Messes aside, we have ourselves a combined mixture. So then we're going to take some small ramekins, about 1/2 cup, and add them into a deep container. And from there, we're going to pour in some of our combined mixture into each. And then we are going to boil some hot water and fill the container up to about halfway up the ramekins. All right, so the centers are supposed to still be jiggly, but they will firm up as the custards cool. Be very careful. So you can serve them warm or cool and garnish as you like.